moot court and legal aid camps both are very practical aspect in learning law. So moot court is the heart of the law we are learning. Hello, my name is Harshini. I am studying 5th year BA LL.B Honours at SRM School of Law. I have placed in list legalities in Kodambakam. We have a placement cell and placement center which offers various kinds of placement opportunities, and they have training, placement training also. Every month the SRM School of Law conducts placement training. It gives how to form a resume, how to attend an interview, and everything we are getting. We have well experienced faculties in our SRM School of Law. Our faculties not only teach the theoretical concepts, also they teach the practical aspect. They share their experiences in the court when they were practicing in the court. So it is very easy to understand the practical aspect, what are the challenges we may face in the future. SRM is unique in the way of library especially. So we have lot of sources of books, we can refer everything. So it is very good platform to learn actually.